Well, you guys, thank you guys for tuning into the channel today, you guys. So we have a great position. This position comes directly from Yelp, and it's not the one that everybody has been posting on TikTok and Instagram and all of that. This one, you guys, this one has just been posted 3 days ago. Go rewrite your resume and put in for this job. This job is absolutely amazing. Use the virtual resume rewrite session to put in for this job. When I tell you, the virtual resume rewrite session, it comes with all of the skills, all of the experience that you need to rewrite your resume so that you can land this job. And did I tell you it is paying for? All right, you guys. So let's get right to this job. This job This job pays $281,000. It is fully remote, no degree required, and they give you a flexible spending account. Okay, you guys? So you guys go rewrite your resume for this position because this one is just it's too good to let go. Okay, and they also offer stocks, you guys. You know, I love when a job is offering stock, especially some of the bigger guys, because that stock is cold hard cash. Okay, all right, so let's get right into the shout outs of the day. These are the people who have used my virtual resume rewrite session to land their job. So we got Shannon. Shannon got a job as a project manager, you guys, using the virtual resume rewrite session, actually using the copy and paste skills and experience. She used that to put on her resume. She got an offer for $139,000, you guys, as a project manager. We have Crystal. Crystal landed a job as a director of sales. She now makes $154,000. And I'm so glad she used the virtual resume rewrite session to rewrite her resume and use the skills, the copy and paste skills and experience. And you guys, there are also titles included in there. So rename yourself, revamp yourself, revamp your resume, use the virtual resume rewrite session. Then we have John. John is a senior program manager now, okay? He makes $198,000, $198,000, you guys, using the virtual resume rewrite session where all you have to do is copy, paste, and tailor. And I show you how to do that in the virtual resume rewrite session, the tutorial. The virtual resume rewrite session also comes with templates, cover letters, everything you need to rewrite your resume so that you can land these six-figure jobs, okay? Land this job from Yelp because it is too good to let go. All right, you guys, so you already know I'm going to do the inspiration of the day. The inspiration of the day comes from my own inspiration. We were flying on a plane, and the plane had so much turbulence. And what the pilot said to everybody on the plane was so monumental for me. He says, you guys, we are in a storm, but we will get past the storm. I am going to make sure that I land you correctly. And it opened up my mind to so much, you guys, because we all go through storms in our life. Everyone goes through a storm, but we have to keep moving forward or that storm will never get better. We have to keep pushing through that storm. So the inspiration of the day is push through the storm. Push through the storm, and you know I'm going to say it. Let God guide you and let him land you safely. You guys go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session so you can rewrite your resume for this and other six-figure jobs that I post every single day. I want you guys to get this job because this is 2023. We are not doing any type of evictions. We are not doing any type of hardship this year. We're not doing any repos. We're not doing that this year. This year is going to be a life of abundance. This is going to be a life of travel. This is going to be a life of new cars, new homes, new houses. And I am giving you every single tool in my arsenal to use, you guys. So go look at the video that I previously posted about how to buy a house, with using only your offer letter, okay, you guys? Because most people don't know when you get your new job, before you even start working, you are able to close on your property, okay? So, like I said, this is the year of abundance. You guys go revamp yourself, go rewrite your resume, use the virtual resume rewrite session to get your resume rewritten so that you can apply, not so that you can apply, so that you can land this job. That resume kit is a no pain, no thinking, no work, 15 minutes. Give yourself 15 minutes because you deserve it, okay, you guys? All right, so let's get right into this job right now, you guys. Let's go. Yeah, so this is a very simple and easy job. They just posted this job 3 days ago. You guys get your professional resume. Go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session. And when I tell you, I did pay in full because these jobs that I'm posting are all-star jobs. They are looking for a group creative director, okay? And they're not asking you to do the work. They're not asking you to do the work. You are going to see how easy this job is, and I'm so glad that I found this job for you guys because most of you guys are perfect. I want to say 90% of you guys are perfect for this job. If you know how to lead people, if you know how to lead people and you know how to create, motivate a team, you are going to do just fabulous at this job, okay? Fabulous. All right, so let's get into it. Let's get right into the summary right now. Go pick up that virtual resume rewrite session. Rewrite it, okay? First, let's talk about you. You are a good human who cares about other humans first and foremost. Notice how we led with that and not the work stuff. Okay, and now for the work stuff. Even though you hate using the phrase brand movement, you believe that a password reset email and a 15,000 square foot billboard in Times Square are equally important brand moments. And you know how to inspire and guide people to make both of those things and everything in between beautiful and memorable. Now, a little bit about us. Hi, we are Yelp. We are Yelp Creative, a team of writer, designers, project managers, dog parents, and cheese lovers who make up Yelp's internal creative agency. Our sole purpose is to enable fandom, both inside and outside of Yelp. We do this by living our values every day. Okay, so this is what they're looking for. Let's go. So we are looking for an experienced leader of creatives to support, grow, and guide the team to make more of an impact on a brand that hundreds of million people trust to discover and experience the best of the world around them. We love to have you apply. Even if you do not feel you meet every single requirement in this posting, at Yelp, we are looking for great people, not those who just simply check off the boxes. This is a full-time remote-based role in the U.S. You guys, they're encouraging you to apply, okay? Encouraging you to apply. Rewrite your story, revamp your resume using the virtual resume rewrite session, okay? It has all of your skills, all of the experience that you're going to put there, okay? I give you what you need to say to these employers, especially this one. If there was a job that was on my channel that I love the most, it would be this one, because this one, they are looking for a team lead. That's it. That is it. This job is very, very, very simple, you guys. Go rewrite your resume using the virtual resume rewrite session and get this. Y'all land this job, okay? Land this job. So let's go on to what you'll do. Okay, it says we have a current team of 12 creators, and our top priority will always be to lead, mentor, motivate, and support the career growth and trajectory of these lovely people. So what they're telling you right now, you need to have the leadership skills. You need to have leadership skills such as leading a team, managing a budget, everything that is included. You're going to be the manager, okay? So everything that is included in the virtual resume rewrite session, every skill that I have for you guys, I want you to put that into your resume, okay? Because what they're asking for a team leader / project manager to manage their creatives. This is such an all-star job, okay? You will manage and prioritize high-volume, high-visibility project in a fast-paced, stakeholder-driven environment, ensuring efficient and effective on-time delivery, project management. You will be a strategic people leader who is plugged into the business with a demonstrated ability to use data to inform creativity and boldly lead our talented creative. Basically, you're going to be taking the information and you're going to analyze it. That's how simple and easy this is. You will lead multiple verticalized creative teams and partner with agencies to guide the creation of brand consistent creative. You will create, maintain, and advocate high quality standards for the team and collaborate with other leaders to ensure consistency on quality across Yelp. You will be a thought partner within and outside of the team and provide input on the approach and plan for creative efforts of all kinds. You will work with project management and cross-functional partners to shape products and requirements, knowing when to scale ideas up or down to deliver on the brief and achieve business goals. You will work with project management to make sure teams and projects are properly staffed and the creative development process is smooth. You will recruit and retain top talent. You will lead by example and foster a culture of kindness, respect, and resolving issues. You will develop and share best practices for a team that will allow for the highest quality creative execution. You will understand creative acts and write creative direction to deliver on KPIs. You will build strong relationships and personal communication channels across the team. You will be accountable for the output and quality of the team's work. You will maintain high standards of creative excellence, accountable for assembling teams, capable of navigating the production process to ensure accurate and error-free execution of creative materials within agreed timelines. They are asking you to be the director. They are asking you to be a project manager, program manager / director, you guys. So if you utilize all of the skills like the KPIs, the leading teams, the managing people, the customer service resolutions that I put on the virtual resume rewrite session, there is no reason why you will not be considered a great candidate for this job. This job is super duper amazing, okay? So let's get what it takes to succeed. Let's go into that right now, you guys. So what it takes to succeed, it says you are excited about our mission of connecting people to local businesses. You have 5 years as a creative leader, ideally both in-house on the tech brand and agency side. You are a strong leader who is passionate about developing the next generation of creative leaders. You have a desire to build a culture of positivity, inclusivity, and accountability. You are able to advocate for creative integrity while respecting timelines. You have experience working with the design system. You have excellent communication skills with the power to listen. You have a high EQ with an understanding of how to build strong, cohesive working relationships with people. You have a portfolio demonstrating a background in work that defines brands and drives measurable business goals. You guys, they are looking for a program manager, okay? So they are looking for a program manager / director. Use the titles that I have included in the virtual resume rewrite session to rename yourself. They're looking for someone with experience, you guys. So use those titles. After you use the titles, use the skills that I put on there. Use the experience that I put on there so that all you have to do is cut and paste it, you guys. Cut and paste your resume so that you can land this job. This job is it's too good to just let go, you guys. It's just it's too good, okay, you guys? They're looking for someone who is going to lead their creative team. They are looking for the manager, the director, the program manager, okay, you guys? And what I want you guys to do is what I want you guys to do is utilize those titles that I have included in there so you can already have experience. When they look at your resume, it's like you already have that experience, you guys. Okay, so let's get down to what you will get. Now, let's get down to that. All right, so let's get down to what you will get. It says effective your first day, full medical, vision, and dental, 15 days PTO. Accrual begins on the date of hire, and it increases it increases with 2+ years of tenure. You get 12 paid holidays plus one floating holiday. You get up to 14 weeks of parental leave. You get a monthly wellness subsidy, a work from home reimbursement. So they're going to reimburse you for your computer stuff, okay? You get a flexible spending account, a 401k, employee stock. It says the compensation range for this position. It starts off, you guys, at 151,000. It starts off at 151,000 and it goes up to 281,000 annually. Y'all stop the games. Stop the games. Do this for your family. Do this for you and your family. You guys go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session. Revamp that resume. Rewrite that resume. Rewrite that resume. Rewrite that resume. Rewrite that resume for this job. This job is too good to let just fly away. Go rewrite your resume for this job right now, you guys. So pick up the virtual resume rewrite session where you will have a professional resume. A professional resume within 10 to 15 minutes. It is a no work, no pain, no gain resume kit, you guys. All right, you guys. Take your time. Take 15 minutes for yourself to rewrite your resume, rewrite your skills. Do this for your family. When you are rewriting your resume, what I want you to do is I want you to have your kids, your future, all of that in your mind when you are revamping your resume, you guys. You guys take care of yourself, take care of others, but more importantly, pour into you. Y'all go get that virtual resume rewrite session. Rewrite your resume for this job, okay? Rewrite it for this job. This job is too good to let go. All right, you guys. Until the next video, see you later. Bye.